Somebody say, I love Nigeria.
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà.
Some people are not saying it. It's okay, I understand. And we have to take a decision in about less than 2 months' time.
A nílò láti ṣe ìpinnu kan ní ó dín díẹ̀ ní oṣù méjì sísìn.
I have discovered that it's the society that reproduces the leaders.
Mo tún wá rí wípé àárín ara wa náà láti mú adarí jáde.
When we shout about the leaders, we are the one that produce them.
Tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn adarí, àwa náà la mú wọn jáde.
We are the one that put people that we want there.
Àwa náà la ń fẹ́ síbẹ̀.
And they represent who we are.
Wọ́n wá ń sojú irú èèyàn tá a jẹ́.
How many of you, by now, you don't have to say it, you have a candidate in your mind you want to vote for? Can I see your hand? You're already thinking. Can I see your hand? Raise it very well. I have already in my mind too. So raise it. I'm not asking you to say it. This is not a political group. Raise it. You are thinking. Okay, let's say it this way. How many of you have a candidate in your mind you wish will win? Can you raise your hand? Okay. Now, those of you that are going to vote, I want to pray a prayer for you. And I want your loud amen. That man you want to vote for, may your children have his character in Jesus' name.
Samuel.
Why are you quiet? Somebody is doing like this.
Why?
You didn't get it. That man you want to vote for, that man you are rooting for, that man you are shouting on Facebook and crying about, may your children have his destiny in Jesus' name. May they act like him, behave like him. You are not saying amen.
Sami.
Go and think. If you don't want a leader that your children will look like, why do you want to vote for him? If you know you don't want a leader that will be the picture of your own children, why do you want to go and cast your vote for such a person? I want to pray again. Whoever you vote for, their destiny, good or bad, come upon your children. It is well. I said this because I want to take the election serious. Don't put your vote on anybody. Your heart cannot tell you. This is a picture of our future. If you do it, you are bringing a curse upon your children.
Torí tó o bá ṣe lé ègún lòun fi sórí àwọn ọmọ rẹ.